everyone is using ChatGPT now. So if you haven't heard about ChatGPT, you better pay attention to today's video. So recently, ChatGPT is really on trend, and I guess you might heard about it, but you might not know how to use it. So today's video is a quick introduction, a beginner guide for how to use ChatGPT in your study and scoring high marks for your assignment. So ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence chat box. You just type in your question and ChatGPT will answer you. What makes it so unique, so special? So it's because this robot is really smart. Because I have been using ChatGPT for 1 month and I've been using it in my study also. What makes it so different from other kind of previous kind of chatbots we have is that its ability to link to your previous question. If you ask about a topic of certain topic and then you ask a question about this topic again, it can link back to your previous question. So every time you don't have to paste the question that you have in mind. So what makes ChatGPT so unique is basically it knows everything, literally everything. So you can use it to maybe generating ideas, and you can use it to summarize your essay, and also you can use it for coding as well. As a computer science student, I found it really helpful in terms of helping in my coding. Sometimes I don't know if my code is the best version, so I will paste my code into ChatGPT and he will help me to making it a better version in terms of the efficiency of the code, and also maybe making some comments on my code. So today I will show you some powerful and useful tips to use ChatGPT and making your study process more efficient. Let's go! So first is about generating ideas. So when sometimes I need to generate ideas for content or even like uni coursework assignment, maybe we have the title or topics that we want to write the essay about. So you can ask ChatGPT like, can you give me some ideas about the recent trend or maybe how to write a script? So it will generate all the ideas, and also you can ask about the outline. So ChatGPT will break down everything, the topics into like the topic sentences and the introduction, conclusion, and during the paragraph, what kind of keywords that you have to point out in. And I found it really useful. Even today's script, I can use it too. And second function I like it is rephrasing essay. English is not my first language, and I wish I can write really well like a native speaker. So basically you just paste whatever your written work into ChatGPT and ask, can he write it in a native way, or you can even ask write it in a more formal way or friendly way, and just specific your requirement, so he will do the rest for you. And also for long essays, sometimes we need to have the citation. So sometimes we have the link. We just have to use another website like citation website to do all the rest. But now you just have to paste all your links for citation to ChatGPT and you specify the format of citation you want, and he will generate all for you. And for rephrasing long essay, sometimes I'll also use the function of like summarize or elaborate, because maybe we just have one sentence we can think of, and you can ask ChatGPT, can you further elaborate? And ChatGPT is really clever that he will elaborate from your first sentences and can turn it into a long paragraph. He is really a good writer, you know. So third is about the coding part. ChatGPT is a better coder than me, I have to admit. Like, even you are not a computer science student, like you don't have any kind of idea about coding, you just have to specify to ChatGPT like, can you please help me to code a program that print out maybe hello world. you want to specify language, maybe we will just the easiest like Python, and he will just generate the Python code here. And just now this is just a simple one. Or even you just specify, ChatGPT, can you help me to create a game, maybe written in Pygame that able to user able to do some simple calculation, and he will just generate all the code, and you just have to paste it and run it. And as a computer science student, sometimes when I do my coding, I also maybe I have some mistake that I didn't identify, so I will copy the error message to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will explain it to me, and then yeah, it's really helpful. So today's is a simple guide about how to use ChatGPT. So I hope after this video you have a general idea about what ChatGPT is and how you can use it in your study and excel in your study. And if you want to know more, like learn more about ChatGPT, maybe you can leave a comments down below, let us know what kind of content you're seeking for, and probably we can do an episode 2 about ChatGPT because it has so many hidden functions of it. You can tell like AI is so powerful, so you might concern about, wow, AI can do everything, then what else can we do? Why should I still do all the coding stuff? At the moment, it still has its limitation. Sometimes it might generate some error, so if you have the ability to understand the code and or understand, like, even the essay that he generated might not be the perfect one, you still have to manually edit some stuff. You can't, you still need a person to examine all the things. I think it's good that you don't 100% rely on this AI chat box. It's good that to think it first, then you ask ChatGPT. Otherwise, you will really so dependent on this AI machine, and you just lost the learning process, right? I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for supporting this channel, Social Soda. If you have any kind of topics that you want to see, remember to leave a comment down below and we will make it. Okay, see you guys next one.